Most lifting trackers only remember what you already did. This one tells you what to do next. It's the Strength and Progressive Overload Tracker, a spreadsheet that turns one honest top set into your estimated max, your training max, and the exact weight for every working set. Then, each week, it tells you whether to add weight, hold, or deload. You bring the effort. It brings the plan. Somewhere in your gym bag is a notebook of scribbled weights, and every week you squint at it and guess what to load. That guess is where progress goes to die. So meet Jordan, the sample lifter whose 5-week block ships inside this file, shown honestly as sample data. Every number in this video comes from Jordan's real, recalculated workbook. And one rule runs the whole thing. You only ever type in the cream cells. Everything else fills itself in. It starts on setup and maxes. You type one recent top set per lift. Nothing heroic, just something you actually hit. Jordan's back squat, 185 for 5, becomes an estimated 1-rep max of 215.8 using the Epley formula. From that, the sheet sets a training max of 195, 90%, rounded to the nearest plate. Heavy enough to drive progress, light enough to recover. No max-out day required. Working Weights takes that training max and writes every set's weight for you, by percentage, rounded to the plate. For the squat, 85% comes out to 165 pounds. You don't do the math, you just load the bar. Whichever program you run, 5x5, push-pull legs, or 5-3-1, the table tells you which column to use. Change your top set on setup, and every weight here moves with you. You log every set on the workout log, date, exercise, weight, and reps. 2 columns fill in for you. Volume, which is weight times reps, and your estimated 1-rep max for that set. This bench top set, 150 for 5, is a 175-pound estimated max. Type the set, and the numbers are already there. And the 1RM tracker turns those sets into a story. Over 5 weeks, Jordan's squat climbed from 215.8 to 262.5, and the deadlift from 262.5 to 309.2, 46.7 pounds of estimated max on each. Here's the honest part. That number only moves when the bar does. It's computed from the heaviest set you actually logged, not a good day guess. This is the tab the whole file is built around. Progression and deload gives you 1 instruction per lift. Beat last week, and it says add weight. The squat moves to 230 next session. Match it, like the bench did, and it says hold and beat it. Fall short. The overhead press missed, and it calls a 10% deload, dropping you to 90, so you back off before you dig a hole. You don't decide when to push and when to ease off. The bar decides, and the sheet reads it. 1 honest minute under the hood. This file runs 982 formulas. Before anything you've seen was filmed, the workbook was recalculated clean, 0 errors, and passed 43 out of 43 independent math checks. The dashboard adds it all up. 73,697 pounds moved this block across 75 sets. Every screen in this video is that real file, and it works the same in Excel and in free Google Sheets. So here's the invitation. Tonight, type 1 recent top set for each of your lifts. It takes about 2 minutes. Tomorrow you walk in already knowing what to load. The Strength and Progressive Overload Tracker is $16.97, one time, with 4 editions and free lifetime updates. Find it on Etsy. The link is in the description. The scale lies. The bar doesn't. Go move it.